To Rajasthan now, where the contest is equally, keen, and there are plenty of incumbents in the fray. There are a lot of new candidates who are in the fray. We'll focus on two of the constituencies at the moment, that is Barmer and Jaipur Rural. And it is a big day because 239 candidates have decided as 20 seats go to polls in the state, with BJP bagging just 4 seats out of 25 in 2009. But they did steamroll the opposition in the assembly elections. Well, Aditya Rajkaul joining us from Barmer. There has been a lot that has been said about this constituency, especially because of Jaswant Singh quitting the BJP, all the drama around his son being a candidate or campaigning, not campaigning for the BJP, but otherwise, and plenty of questions around that. What is the situation down on ground, Aditya? What is the pulse that you're picking up?
Absolutely, Anand. A big election day for Rajasthan. At least 20 seats really going to the poll fray. Already it has been more than an hour long that has really begun. But we are standing at this moment in Barmer, in the ancestral village of former External Affairs Minister Jaswant Singh, who had almost quit the Bharatiya Janata Party after he was ignored for this particular Barmer seat, going on to really mention that he was hurt, he was wounded. And yesterday when we interviewed Jaswant Singh, he categorically mentioned that there was no Narendra Modi wave. Very important statement by a veteran of the Bharatiya Janata Party, saying that there is no Modi wave here on ground in Rajasthan. Vasundhara Raje may claim about the Modi wave. She has been desperately campaigning here for the BJP candidate Colonel Sonaram, but Jaswant Singh maintaining that he will win with a thumping majority. Clearly also sparking a controversy, going on to mention that LK Advani may be a better choice to lead a coalition government and not Narendra Modi. So certainly all is not well here in Barmer, at least for the Bharatiya Janata Party, as the votes will certainly swing, perhaps because of the honor plank that the Jaswant Singh has really played on. But certainly it's not just Barmer. There are other constituencies as well where Congress is posing a challenge directly to the Bharatiya Janata Party.
Right. We've got a reaction coming in from the BJP veteran now contesting as an independent, Jaswant Singh. Take a listen.
Who is being labelled as a rebel from the BJP. But at this moment, do you think, Mr. Jaswant Singh, that the BJP and the Congress both are in for a surprise on 16th of May from Barmer? The polling has begun. Are you getting a positive feedback? You're confident?
Yes, I am confident. I am internally totally at peace, because I know that the questions that have been posed by your folk, the basic point has not been understood, either in Delhi, whether in Delhi or in Jaipur. This election is an election in which the electorate of Barmer, Jaisalmer is asserting their right, their right to decide who their candidate, who their representative ought to be. This is born of an anger at the manner in which decisions were made by the state and the centre to pick a Congress discard and transplant him on BJP soil, and then to order everybody, do as we are telling you. We are not slaves. We might be the westernmost district, we might be the desert. We are not slaves to be ordered in this fashion. And I think that is the anger of the constituency, which has carried me all these weeks. I've never experienced such enthusiasm, such overriding sense of wrong that has been done to us here in Barmer, Jaisalmer, the border district and the desert, the westernmost constituency, not amongst the largest, very large. It's almost as large as the state of Israel.
Right. But sir, yesterday when I interviewed you, you said there is no Narendra Modi wave here, but the Chief Minister of the state, Vasundhara Raje, has done whatever could be possible to really swing the voters towards the Bharatiya Janata Party. But do you certainly believe that today, as the voting has already begun in Barmer, across Barmer, there is certainly no Narendra Modi wave here? Narendra Modi was here a few days ago. He addressed the rally, but he did not talk about Jaswant Singh at all. He did not talk about Sonaram at all. He just talked about this Narendra Modi wave. Where is this Narendra Modi wave?
No, I don't find it. I really find it a bit odd. Because It's in the imagination of the media that you've created a wave for yourself, and now you want to justify that that is a wave. I'm afraid there is not any wave for